Hi everyone.
Hi.
Take 55. We don't know. Welcome to mother and daughter duo.
Yes.
Maya.
Victoria.
Today we're so excited because we want to talk to you about SPELT. Okay? SPELT flour. I had literally given up on eating bread because I thought, okay, GMO, you can't eat it because it's going to make you fat, refined flour, etc., etc. Come to find out that SPELT is an ancient cereal that used to started probably 8,000 years ago, and that gradually has disappeared because of modern technology. They had to replace it by a wheat that was more, let's say, easy to process, easy to put into technology, into making baking goods and factories for it to go faster. Okay, SPELT bread, SPELT flour is amazing. It's low in gluten, only 7% gluten. It's low in calories, but it has all of the great things that we want: B vitamins, minerals, etc., etc., anything. Please read up on it. But we want to show you very quickly that this is what we've been baking. Now, mind you, please, we are not bakers. We literally been spending the past 2 weeks waiting up until 2 o'clock in the morning to all kinds of things happening, okay, because this is the first time in my life that I started baking, but want to tell you about this, the fact that now we can put bread back into our lives, and I'm happy. And not only that, it's good for you, but it tastes good.
Yes, exactly. It does.
Yes?
Yes, it does.
You loved it, right?
I liked it, yeah, a lot.
Can you imagine when you make something and that your kids tell you, yes, I like it? What did you say? You want some more?
I did. I asked to bring it home with
So
me.
now we're going to make some more.
Yes.
500 grams. For those of you who are specialists, please don't judge us. We just want to show you very quickly. 500 grams of SPELT. You're going to put in 8 grams of
15 grams.
15 grams, thank you, of salt.
Yes.
Everything has to be separate. So you don't want the salt to mix in when we're going to put our yeast. So I pre-made the yeast, okay? This is something that's very important because when you pre-make your own yeast, it helps for the flour to retain a lot of all of the things that I mentioned before, the vitamins, etc., etc. How to make this yeast is not pretty easy because it takes 4 days, but it's made out of water, honey, and the flour itself. So I took out the amount of flour that we're supposed to take out, and every day you got to do it. But anyway, we're going to put it in. This is the yeast, and
You put all of it.
yes, all of it, because this has been, I've been getting this ready for 4 days now. So we put that yeast. You can look online. I'm sure probably some people sell this already. So you put that separately. I'm not exactly sure why everything can't touch, but then you start to mix it, okay, in here, and then now we gradually put in the water, and this should go in very quickly. I did not put sugar because I already have the honey base in my yeast.
Start.
Slowly, because it's gonna go quickly. The thing about SPELT flour is that it's a lot more water soluble than regular flour, and so it gets very sticky. I was thinking that maybe I should even start to maybe I should start looking into making a instant facelift cream because that stuff is sticky. It got everywhere. And so because it's more water soluble, you don't need as much water as regular flour. I don't know if you guys can see. Regarde pour voir s'ils peuvent voir. Okay? Go. So, looking good this time. Guys, if I tell you the amount of adventures from last week, and the other thing I want everyone to know is, okay, so the yeast, the other thing I want you to know is that, okay, you got to preheat the oven, of course, and apparently dough likes a warm environment when you're going to put it for the couple of hours to rise. And now we're going to try kneading it. Okay, so Victoria,
do that with your
you're
hands?
on. You can do that with your hands, but that's going to take a long time, or we can put it in the machine and do 4 minutes of it. I think that's going to make our lives easier.
Do it with my hands on.
Okay, so make sure you put some flour on there so it doesn't get stuck, because it's going to get stuck on your hands. Trust me. And of course, those of you who are professionals know that you've got to put a bowl of water into the oven and make sure that your kitchen is at 22, 23 Celsius while this dough is rising for 2 hours. So be ready. This is not like regular dough. It's sticky. So you're going to start kneading it. You took off your ring? Okay. And so go ahead. So as she's kneading it, yeah, go. Yeah, put work in it. Okay, it's stuck. So you have to pick it up on the sides. Pas faire passer misère. I'm telling you guys, and the taste of this flour is just absolutely amazing. I just can't believe that this existed and I didn't know about it. Why? Somebody needs to tell us that we can eat differently and that we can actually eat things like bread, and it's okay for us to eat it. Oh, no. Allez, where?
Mais comment tu fais donc?
I told you, it's really tough. You have to be a professional. What fait gars got là, on fait bed ça? Oh! We got our bread in the oven with a bowl of water, of course, and we sprayed some water on top of that. Well, here is our beautiful bread. Now, one more trick is that we're going to roll it in the cloth. And then set it on the pan in this way so that it doesn't get damaged, and let it cool down. I can't wait to taste it. Hello, us and our beautiful spelt bread. And this is how Haitians enjoy bread. Dipped in our coffee. Try it with a little butter. It's heaven, I promise you.